Welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to enable autoplay videos on Pinterest using your PC. This new update allows you to enhance your browsing experience by automatically playing videos as you scroll through your feed. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Pinterest website. If you're not logged in yet, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the main page, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon represents the settings menu. Click on the gear icon, and a settings menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various preferences for your Pinterest account. Now, in the left sidebar, find and click on Social Permissions. This section is where you can manage how Pinterest interacts with your social media accounts and other features like video playback. Once you're in the Social Permissions section, scroll down until you see the option for Autoplay Videos. Here, you'll find a toggle switch that allows you to enable or disable autoplay for videos. Simply click on the toggle to turn it on. This means that videos will start playing automatically as you browse through your pins. After enabling autoplay, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the settings page and click it. This step is crucial. Otherwise, your new settings won't take effect. And that's it. You've successfully enabled autoplay videos on Pinterest. Now, as you explore different pins and boards, videos will play automatically, making your experience more engaging and dynamic. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your Pinterest experience. Enjoy browsing.